Hey, it's David. Welcome or welcome back to Cross Fitness, helping men and women get in the best spiritual shape of their lives, one workout at a time. I just want to share a super quick thought with you that I'm calling a community of unity. So it's Saturday morning when I'm videoing this on my iPhone, and I just came back from a meeting with some guys at the church, and we got together early on a Saturday morning before we got into our chores and tasks and family to-dos and Walmart runs and all that kind of stuff. And we just shared our once a month gathering. We were just sharing some wins together, some prayer, did a little Bible study on 5 questions to help us make better decisions and live with fewer regrets. And it was just a fantastic time. We spent about an hour and 15 minutes together. And there's just something powerful when men get together in unity, in community. We get a tribe of people of like faith, and it's just so energizing. It's so life-giving. Ladies, as you're watching, when you get together with your friends, particularly those of faith, it just builds your faith and encourages you. It adds value to your life so much. And so I am just a fanatic of Psalm 133, verse 1. I think that's it. It says, how pleasant it is when brothers dwell together in unity. Don't discount the power of coming together, even for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, maybe an hour, a little longer. It's so powerful. It's so worth taking it out of prime time, a weekend, right? A lot of us just enjoy the weekend so much, getting out of the work cycle and into optimizing a weekend cycle of activities. But that investment of that 75 minutes for me was just spectacular. It was sensational, and I want to recommend it to you. So if you're not in a small group, please consider getting in one. If you are, be faithful to that meeting. Whether you're hosting it or attending it, it's fantastic, and it's such a important tool in your discipleship toolbox, weapon in your arsenal to stay spiritually strong, particularly in this day and age. Okay, so I hope that encourages you a little bit. For now, I'm David, your virtual mentor, reminding you that I'm always for you. I'm never against you. See you in the next video.